To rotate, I'm going to click the rotate button. See that little plus sign that's somewhere between the C and the K? It's very faint. That's the point of similarity, or the point center of rotation. Everything rotates around it. You can use the arrow keys to rotate as well. And the next button is the translation button. You can click on the triangle and drag it around, but you have to click on the triangle. If you click outside the triangle, it won't work. You can also use the arrow keys. The next one after that is the text button, which I'm going to come back to. After that is the dilatation button. The dilatation button allows you to drag things away from the plus sign to make them bigger, or drag them towards the plus sign to make them smaller. The text button allows us to make text. This is an isosceles triangle. I know that my 63 degrees is identical to this angle over here. That's also going to be 63 degrees. The angle at the top, this angle right here, is going to be 54 degrees. 54 degrees. If you want to delete something, press the delete button. It'll delete the text. If you press the eraser button while the text is on, it'll erase the text box, the last text box that you made. If you want to bring them back, when you put your answer inside a text box, notice in the upper right hand corner of the screen, it fills in the text boxes for you. This angle down here was 54 degrees. You also have a pencil tool, so you can draw on the screen. If you click erase, you can erase your drawings. Find DJF. Let's say I wanted to make my pencil yellow. I want the size to be really big. D to J to F. Find my D. I'm going to drag a line with the eraser off from D to J. Now, if I hold that line for a second, it becomes a straight line. Then to F to there. I'll hold it for a second, and it becomes a nice straight line. We're talking about that angle. So you can use your line drawing tool to draw the angles in. D to J to F is the supplement to 63, 117 degrees. You can erase lines by clicking on the eraser. If you double click, it'll erase all your lines. If you single click, then the eraser appears. As you click down, you can erase whatever you like. The H is the hue, which color we're talking about. The S is saturation, goes down to gray, not very saturated. Fully saturated, it is just all about the color. L is lightness, so how light it is. So it goes all the way up to white, all the way down to black. And the size of the pen, kind of small, even smaller, bigger, and all the way to full size. If you double click, it'll erase all the lines you've drawn. Degree symbol, if you double click, you're entering a whole bunch of angles. You're not putting the degree symbol. Notice I didn't put any degree symbols on the last 3 angles. If I double click on the degree symbol, look what happens. It fills them all in for you. That's it for the buttons, and that's how you can make the program work. If you want to reposition an angle, it will do that for you. If it's not sure what it's pointing at, it's green. If it knows what it's pointing at, it draws a little line to that angle. It draws a little line from the 63 to the E. And that's it for the parallel line program. Have a good day.